Welcome to another episode of Agentic AI, the future of intelligent systems. There is a lot of noise around Agentic AI right now. Demos, headlines, quick prototypes, all showcasing what looks like magic. But behind every demo, the reality is far more grounded. Building agentic systems is not just prompting and orchestration, it is engineering. In fact, I believe Agentic AI is 90% engineering. Think about what makes an agentic system tick. You are not just stringing together model calls. You are designing workflows that involve planning, memory, tool use, execution, monitoring, and feedback loops. Each of these layers introduces complexity. Each requires careful architecture, optimization, and integration. Take planning as an example. A simple demo might show an agent breaking a task into steps, but in production, those steps must handle ambiguity, recover from failures, and avoid runaway loops. That demands engineered guardrails, fallback strategies, and lean logic to prevent wasted compute. Or consider memory. A demo may show an agent remembering a past query, but engineering memory at scale means balancing storage, retrieval efficiency, cost, and emissions. Too much memory and your system bloats, too little and it forgets context. Getting this right is not a prompt trick, it is system design. And then there is tool use. Calling APIs looks easy in a controlled example. But in the real world, APIs fail, data shifts, and latency matters. Tools must be cached, reused, or gracefully degraded. That is engineering. Even the models themselves are only one piece of the puzzle. The orchestration around them, routing, monitoring, logging, and optimization, often takes more time to build than the model interactions themselves. Ask any team working in production, and they will tell you most of the work is not in the model, but in everything around it. This is why I see a surge coming. Right now, a lot of experimentation is happening at the surface level. But as organizations push agentic AI into real workflows, they will hit the same wall: engineering maturity. Suddenly, questions of scalability, observability, security, and sustainability will dominate, and the demand for robust engineering frameworks, standards, and practices will explode. It will be similar to what we saw with cloud adoption. Early on, everyone spun up instances and showed quick wins. But real value came only when engineering disciplines matured: infrastructure as code, DevOps, FinOps, security, resilience. Agentic I will follow the same arc. Demos will fade, engineering will take center stage. To me, this is an opportunity. If 90% of agentic AI is engineering, then the real differentiator will not just be who uses the biggest model, but who builds the most reliable, efficient, and sustainable systems, who treats cost, carbon, and complexity as first class citizens, who designs lean workflows that scale without waste. The magic of agentic AI lies not in the spark of the demo, but in the discipline of the build. And as the ecosystem matures, that discipline will define success. Thank you for listening. Until next time, remember, the future of AI will not be shaped by demos, but by engineering.